Howdy, hey y'all, Allison here, and I've got a couple things I want to share with you guys today. I got a little list. I'll give you an overview of what we're going to go over, and then we're going to go over all of it, okay? Cool. First thing we're going to talk about is a little something called AlphaGeekCon, and then after that we're going to talk about where we're at with the TYRANT'S, and then I'm going to share with you a funny soundbite I found, and then I'm going to share with you some of those fan covers that were made of the Ballad of Jason Grace, and then finally I have a little special something at the end because in our last live stream I played a couple chords from from For Good from Wicked, and so I saw some people in the comments saying that they wanted to see me do a full cover of that, so you get to see that at the very end, okay? Cool, let's get started. First up, AlphaGeekCon. So I work for a company called the Geek Grid Studios. It's a company that does a lot of nerd conventions in the central Pennsylvania area. AlphaGeekCon is going to be happening tomorrow and Sunday. It's at the Bloomsburg Fairgrounds in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. It's going to be Saturday, May 1st from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday, May 2nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And since I'm going to be working there, I thought it'd be fun to let you guys know that I'm going to be there at this convention working. So if you're in the area and you want to meet me and say hi and give me a little high five or something, you can. AlphaGeekCon is going to have a ton of nerd convention stuff, like workshops, gaming, cosplay, movies, all that sort of stuff, voice acting stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I plan on being in cosplay while I'm there. On Saturday I will be dressed as Bob Ross, and on Sunday I'm going to be wearing my creeper onesie. That second one's a maybe. It's supposed to be hot, so I might not. But if you're there, keep an eye out for Bob Ross and a creeper. If you think you might go, let me know in the comments. That'd be really cool. Again, it's in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania at the Bloomsburg Fairgrounds. I'll leave a link to more information in the doobly-doo down below. The next thing I want to talk about is where we're at with the TYRANT'S. So I know I said I was going to be posting it last week, but finals hit me like a brick to the face. Sorry about that. So it's going to be taking a little longer than I expected. I don't want to put a specific day on it, but it's coming soon. Don't you guys worry. I've been editing. It's coming soon. Don't worry. Which brings me to the third thing I want to talk about. Here's a funny soundbite. Try to guess what it is. Leave your guess in the comments below. Okay, you left your guess? Okay, now here's what it is.
Oh God! Oh, my abdomen wound is festering again! Alright.
I don't know how she made that sound. I just think it's really funny and wanted to share with you guys. And now on to the next thing. Here are some fan covers of the Ballad of Jason Grace. Hope you guys enjoy.
Jason Grace, I fell into a dumpster. Jason Grace, and then I met Meg. Jason Grace, we fought really big ants. Jason Grace, I miss you. Jason Grace, we rode a dragon. Jason Grace, then we went to the zoo. Jason Grace, Meg got swarmed by bees. Jason Grace, I miss you. Jason Grace, we started the California wildfires. Jason Grace, we went on a cruise with your ex. Jason Grace, you got stabbed by a Roman emperor. Jason Grace, I miss you. It was really sad. I got a little mad. I'm not good at crossword puzzles. Jason Grace, you got stabbed in the back. Jason Grace, and now we are here. Jason Grace, that girl has pink hair. Jason Grace, we miss you. Goodbye.
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 Lastly, here is my cover of For Good from Wicked. I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason. bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better, but because I knew you, I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime, so let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart, and now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship pulled from its mooring by a wind off the sea, like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better, but because I knew you, I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess we know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a ship pulled from its mooring by a wind off the sea, like a seed dropped by a bird in the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better, and because I knew you, because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good. Hope you guys enjoyed this very chaotic video. I hope to see at least a few of you guys at AlphaGeekCon, and TYRANT'S, TERMBs coming out soon. I love you all. Okay, bye.